All right, Chris, here's a look at that 8-foot, 145 ton 3D machine. Delem DA69S Controller. Angle finder that's Bluetooth connected to the controller. So when you measure an angle, push a button on the angle finder and it will send the correction to the controller. Of course, we're gonna have videos on how to get it all started up and how to use it, how to do things in 2D or 3D. There's a 3D drawing here. And of course, it's got a manual interface where you can set up all your tooling and, you know, just pick your punch and your die and set up a material and just make a quick bend if you want to do that. Or you can come over here and import a drawing right here, or you can make a drawing. Super easy to draw right on the screen. So we can go here, put a flange, here put a flange, there a flange, there a flange, and then we go to tool setup. Let's see, back to the drawing. So right here we can see this in 3D if we want. So pretty easy to quickly make a 3D drawing, put in all your dimensions, or you can draw it in CAD and import it. Either way is fine. It does have offline software so that you can do your bend simulation and all that at your CAD computer, and then just transport via USB your bend file and actually just go bend it. So this is just a temp foot pedal we have in the shop to test machines with. Here's your foot pedal. Comes with some extra tooling, 3-inch die and heavy duty punch set. So you can bend up to 3/8 on this. And here's your 6 axes. Here's your dual Y-axis submerged gearboxes. Here's your 3-phase transformer that'll come with the machine. It's tapped for 480, 220. It'll take 220, 240, 208, 480. And then here's the stock punch and die set it comes with. Mini gooseneck punch and 4-way die that'll let you do thin materials all the way up to 1/4 inch. And then when you go to the 3/8, you're gonna put in your heavy duty punch and die. So yeah, just a little look around the machine.